Is shift on the fly available on these trucks? We had this question come in. Let's chat about it. All right, so big news for 24-26 L5P Duramax owners. Yes, we are now offering multi-level tuning that can add up to 180 horsepower, and it completely changes how your truck is going to drive and feel out on the road. Now, we are still offering single level tunes as an option, but now there's a tune pack for those who love a little bit of variety in their life. All right, so the million-dollar question, is shift on the fly available on these trucks? Short answer is no. What the f? Without getting into too many details, but our multi-level tune pack gives you all the individual files you need so you can flash whatever you want. We are in a shop right now, but you can flash your truck anytime, any place.
Simple as that.
And it's all done with the ease of the Dieselr Corp RTD device and your phone. Now, switching between tunes couldn't be easier. You just need your phone. With the free HP Tuners TDN app, you can flash, swap files, check diagnostics on the fly, data log, manage everything and more in literally just a few taps. It's quite the good time. Now, we can all agree that 24-26 L5P already makes solid power. It's an incredible platform, and honestly, it's one of the best Duramax generations to tune. It's smooth, it's responsive, and it's super capable.
Oh my goodness!
Now, do keep in mind you will need to send in your ECM to get unlocked, but don't stress it. We offer an easy send-in service with fast turnaround. A little downtime, but nothing crazy. Now, plus the TDN app and the Dieselr Corp RTD device double as a diagnostic tool, so you can check and clear codes anytime. We've got all the hardware you need to complete and dial in your setup, in stock and ready to go. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's built for real results. 24-26 L5P multi-level tuning is now live at dieselrcorp.ca.